Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your INFINIX Hot 12i. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, let's find Microsoft Edge on the search pool. Select it and then install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now start customizing it. So sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for your data sharing preferences, accept or not, and then set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. After everything is done, we should be able to open any website. And as you can see, it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.